Sometimes we need to give in to our chocolate cravings, right? So today I decided to give in and make my signature chocolate mousse cake.
So let's start by making the cake base first. People keep on asking advice on what is required for running a successful home bakery business. Can I just say, apart from an oven, Blendart's planetary mixer which blends, whips and makes dough is crucial. This allows me to multitask, meaning I can save both time and energy. Now let's move on to our mousse. Add the cream, vanilla and powdered sugar and whisk, whisk, whisk. See how easily the powerful motor of Blendart Stand Mixer whips the cream to stiff peaks? And for those of you like me who hate to get messy and tired hands kneading doughs for roti, guess what? This machine comes with a dough hook which will take care of all your dough needs. Blendart Stand Mixer is my absolute favorite machine in the kitchen and an absolute must-have for all home bakers. And guess what? It is more powerful and pocket-friendly than its competitors. So don't wait, go do yourself a favor and get one right now.